Oh, look at that.
He's going to need a shift.
Oh, man, and a flash of fire, but he doesn't get the win at 397, a tenth quicker. Something down there in the top end, and I'm going to tell you, someone's calling down there that there was a accident down in the top end. We have no idea who it is, so please stay in your seats. Don't run like that, young man. It'll be okay. They got safety crews going down there. And if you don't belong down there, don't even head that way, please. Let the safety crews do their jobs. Fans, if you do not belong with the crew or with the safety equipment company, do not go down there.
Superman Mo Hall here. Oh. Shook it loose. 9:42 down low. He's going to stop the clocks. 366.6.
Wow.
Oh, yeah? Was it a Waffle House or a hibachi place? All right, Brylan Holder getting after it.
Bang! Oh, red light start for Holder. Can't win him that way. 369.7 at 203 miles per hour for Jason Collins. Well, there they are. Watch this.
Take down the number 4 qualifier or the number 9. Is going to go to round number 3.
And Woolley gets in, man. He's up there. He's going to bring that high idle, excuse me. And look at this run. Wow, Woolley got close, didn't he? That thing started drifting left. That man didn't turn the wheel a bit. 375.6 at 183 miles per hour. That was hairy more than Woolley. Wow, look at the top end on that thing. 387, 197 miles per hour. J-Lo Racing Engines, and the whole group get him to his fastest ET ever. Congratulations, Jimmy. And if that don't help you out in the next round, nothing will. That's all I can say to you. Take that to the book. Unreal. Timmy Horace took him to the bank before, back at Lights Out 14. Adam Preston over there in the 69 one-time Lazaro Chevrolet Camaro. Carrierville, Kentucky. A big hello to all my Canadian friends down there watching. And that Chevrolet's done, and that little Harrison machine shuts off early, it sounded like. Yeah, the mile per hour tells the story. He went 387.3. Scott Tidwell, the man who brought you the beautiful event here, is the Bama Outlaws, and his car being driven by Jason Collins now comes to the starting line. Here we go. Thank you. Here comes Collins. This one's for Bud. Wow, look at the number, man. Look at the number, 364.5 at 203 miles. Look at Tidwell. Look at the grin that can crack marble down there. Number 4 taking on number 1 in qualifying. Look for a hole shot. 70 to a 60. We watched Mo Hall just go well into the 70s just a moment ago. Here they go. It's over for Mo Hall. Steve Woolley is doing this thing with a vengeance. 378.2, 199 miles per hour. And you could hear the cackling grin out of my throat after that one, because that vet, I was just telling beautiful Deborah that car sounds so good every time he starts it, doesn't it? So with that, you'll just go down the track or just break the beams and back it up. Jason Collins, your winner. in Pro 275. And Scott Tidwell's incredible Chevrolet Camaro. Scott Tidwell, Dixie Trucking, all the people here, Alabama International Dragway, and everything that's gone on here this weekend has been nothing but the best. That's all I can say. This race has been phenomenal. I would tell everybody at home on Flo that is up this morning getting ready to go to church, you got to come and see this one next year.